you're sitting on a pile of cash and you don't even know it. If you're a clinic owner, med spa, dentist, or health coach, you probably have a bunch of old leads that you're not turning into cash, and you should. I made this video just for you because today I'm going to break down how to run what is called a reactivation campaign. This is a simple strategy to help a couple of my clients generate over 200 booked appointments on their calendars using nothing but text messages. The first part is a pattern interrupt. Here's an example for like an IV hydration company. Hey, it's Ashley from Replenish IV. We have a new spring offer special for our past clients. Would you like me to share the details with you? That kind of text will probably get replies because it sounds human. Say something like this. This is our performance reset drip designed to recharge your body, sharpen your focus, and fire up fat burning. It includes our energy and hydration drip, our testosterone support complex, and a bonus lipo fat shot. All for just $189, normally over $360. We only have a few left this week. Would you like me to lock in a spot for you? Then after that, you move to step 3, which is the call to action. You don't want to just drop a booking link. The goal is a short conversation that leads to a scheduled call or appointment. Would you like to hop on a quick call and see if it's a good fit? This works like magic because the commitment is quite low and the intent is quite high. And luckily for you, I've compiled all my top performing reactivation scripts across all these niches into a free guide that you can grab right now. It includes 10 plus campaigns, all compliant, optimized, just plug and play. Just check the link in the description and I'll send it to you. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more conversion strategies, and drop a comment if you want help automating this inside of your CRM. Well, that's all for now. I'm Dr. Emeka, and I help clinics and coaches turn conversations into clients using smart marketing and automation. And I'm sure I'll see you in the next video.